The Presidio Battery Bluffs was one of our first architectural concrete jobs, and the challenge in the beginning was convincing the Presidio Trust to put their trust in our group with these very, very high-profile concrete walls.
The scope in that project was building 3 overlooks, which incorporate exposed architectural concrete, benches and retaining walls.
So that means your formwork is not just 2 pieces of wood. Any wood you can find, it's specific types of wood. These particular walls were radiused, so everything has got to be built as if when you strip the form, it looks as if it was placed inside of a very precise machine-built cabinet.
We accomplished some really complex radius walls there. They look simple right now, but they're definitely beautiful, and the simplicity of it and the, I would say, perfection of them is something really to be proud of, That's a really hallmark job that we all enjoy doing.
99% of the work came from building that perfect inside-out cabinet to receive the concrete. And when it came out of the form, it came out really, really beautifully. And it doesn't happen by accident.